For our nature walk, we are picking the bird to do our EET activity. Kids, you're going to have to show your moms and dads or aunts and uncles, parents, family, whoever you are home safe with, what EET is, and you're probably going to have to really think about it because it's been a couple weeks. So I'll use this to show you and remind you. So we chose bird, and our first part of our EET strand is green group. We drew on the sidewalk. This will be a fun activity for you guys if you have sidewalk chalk at home. You could use crayons or colored pencils or markers on paper at home too. So for bird, green group would be in the animal group. You're right. Blue do. What do birds do? Well, birds can do all kinds of things. They can fly, they can eat worms, they lay eggs. I think the coolest thing they do is fly. What do birds look like? Well, birds can be all different colors. There are really colorful birds like parrots. The birds we usually see around here are brown, but sometimes we see bluebirds or red birds. If you see a cardinal, it's a red bird. The birds that we saw in the sky and you heard on our video were cranes, and those are really cool looking birds. What are birds made of? What are birds made of? Well, birds are made of blood. They have organs like we do, like a heart and lungs. They have some interesting parts too. Let's move on to pink parts. Pink parts. What parts does a bird have? Well, birds have wings. That's a really cool part that helps them fly. Birds have beaks. Birds have feet. Can you think of any other parts that birds have? Where do you see birds? Or where do they live? Well, around here, birds usually make their nests in trees. Sometimes they make them in barns. Some birds might have nests by the lake. Birds can also be a pet. They can live in your house. Some people have pet parrots. Do you know what parrots sometimes do? Sometimes they talk in your house. Isn't that crazy? What do I know about birds? So if you don't know any fun facts about birds, you can also talk about what you like about birds. I like hearing birds sing in the morning, or those first couple days in the spring when you see birds, you see the robins out picking the worms. That means that summer is coming, and that's my favorite part. You guys did an awesome job talking about birds with your friends and family that you're home safe with. I am going to watch my bird feeder up there, and you see my little bird house. So I'm going to sit out here and drink my coffee and watch the birds. I hope you do the same. Bye.